Want to start a car dealership in Nevada? Maybe you've been flipping cars on the side. Maybe you've dreamed of owning your own dealership. Or maybe you're tired of making money for someone else. Well, before you can legally sell vehicles in Nevada, there's one thing you need: a Nevada dealer license. And here's the problem. Most applicants get overwhelmed by the bond requirements, insurance requirements, paperwork, and DMV rules. But don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your Nevada dealer license step by step. First things first, do you actually need a dealer license? In Nevada, the answer is probably yes if you're selling vehicles as a business. Each license type has different requirements, but the licensing process is very similar. Let's talk about the requirement that scares most people: the dealer bond. Now, before you panic, you do not pay $100,000. That's simply the bond amount required by the Nevada DMV. A surety bond protects consumers, protects the state, guarantees you'll follow dealer laws. If a dealer commits fraud or violates regulations, claims can be filed against the bond. The good news? Most dealers only pay a small percentage of the bond amount. This is where the experts at All American Bonds and Insurance can help. We specialize in Nevada dealer bonds and can often get same-day approvals. You can get a quote for the bond at quickerbonds.com using the link in our bio. Before applying, you'll need to set up your dealership. Next, you'll need a legitimate business location. The Nevada DMV wants to know you're operating a real business, not selling vehicles from your driveway. Now let's talk insurance. Nevada requires proof of liability coverage. The insured name on the policy must exactly match your dealership application. If you need garage liability insurance, All American Bonds and Insurance specializes in dealership coverage. This is where many applications get delayed. A simple typo can delay your approval for weeks. Not huge expenses compared to opening a dealership, but don't forget to budget for them. Every principal listed on the application must complete fingerprinting. The sooner you complete this step, the faster your application moves through the system. Once everything is submitted, the Nevada DMV reviews your application. If everything checks out, congratulations. If you're serious about getting your Nevada dealer license, don't let the bond and insurance process slow you down. The dealer specialists at All American Bonds and Insurance help Nevada dealers every single day with Nevada dealer bonds, garage liability insurance, dealer licensing assistance, fast approvals. The links to all the resources mentioned in this video are in the description and bio. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment what state you'd like us to cover next. Good luck with your dealership, and I'll see you in the next video.